Hey YouTube, it's me, Devon Ward again. I just posted a video about a couple days ago telling you guys that I just passed my real estate exam. I'm still waiting for my actual license to come in the mail. And then I'm gonna go up, do a couple interviews with the brokerages, hopefully next week or at max the week after. But yeah, I just wanted to go over, for some that was interested, I just wanted to go over the VA home loan. Because if you don't know already, I am a U.S. Navy veteran. I served 2011 to 2016. I got out in around, to 2016 I got out and pursued being a police officer. That didn't really work out. I passed the academy and everything, but based off my background, a couple things in my background, I had to wait 3 years before I can actually be picked up by the department. So I pursued studying real estate. And here I am. Passed my real estate exam. I'm about to be a real estate agent here in San Diego, California. But yeah, I just wanted to give you tell you guys what VA home loan is. If you was wanting to use that option to get your first home or so. So the VA home loan is a loan provided by private lenders through the VA. To be eligible for the VA home loan, you have to be an active duty service member or served and got out with an honorable discharge. I'm not sure if you can still get it if you got other than honorable. But with the VA home loan, you can use that to have a zero down payment. So if you get the VA home loan, it's a zero down payment on your first home, but you have to live in that space. And then when you do that, if you wanted to get into real estate investing, you can use that VA home loan to get a home, put a zero down payment down, and then over time you can refinance it, and you can use that same loan again. It's unlimited. You can use the loan as much as you want, but you only can use the loan one at a time, if you get what I'm saying. You can use the loan unlimited amount of times, but you only can use it once at a time. So that means you have to use it, and then you have to refinance it to a different loan, hopefully one that's lower interest, and then you can use it again to buy another property. But you have to stay in the property if you're using the VA home loan. If you don't want to stay in the property, then you refinance it to a different loan. To be eligible to use the loan or to apply for the loan, you have to have satisfactory credit and sufficient funds to be able to pay the monthly obligations of the mortgage that you're trying to apply for. And also you have to get a valid certificate of eligibility. I hate that combination. But if you get the COE, certificate of eligibility, you have to send that or provide that with your steady source of income to the third party, which is the bank or mortgage companies. You have to show them that, and you can get the certificate of eligibility from eBenefits. You go on ebenefits.gov, fill it out, send an application in with the VA to apply for the VA home loan, which should take approximately like 2 weeks before they send you an email back saying if you qualified or not. Most likely though, you will be qualified, and then they'll send you a letter in the mail saying how much you qualify for. And that's pretty much it to qualify for the VA home loan. But that is a really, really good benefits that veterans and spouses have, because zero down payment, that's significant. You don't have to save money, a big chunk of change, just to be able to get a house. You literally go to you apply with the VA, you go to the bank, and then they get you how much you're eligible for your VA home loan. You look for that property, you get that property, you stay in it. So if you, for example, if you try to get a 2 or 3-plex or 4-plex with the VA home loan, you can, but you have to stay in one of the units. And then once you get it actually like tenants into your units, you can move out or refinance, move out, use your VA home loan again to get a different 4-plex. And you see what I mean. You can become like a real estate mogul doing that stuff. But thank you guys. If you have any questions about the VA home loan, FHA home loan, or FHA loan or any type of other things, you just go ahead and write it down in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to see more videos for me. And if you want a free stock value between $8 to $1,600, go ahead and hit my link below to Webull. That's giving away a free stock value between $8 to $1,600. Thank you guys, and thanks for watching my video.